Hello everyone! It is finally strawberry season, so today I'm going to show you how to make 3 healthy and delicious strawberry smoothie recipes. First, we're going to be making this very healthy detox strawberry smoothie. We will need 1.5 cup of cranberry juice, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds that's been hydrated with 2 tablespoons of water, 1 whole banana that we can use either frozen or fresh, 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, depending on how sweet you like your smoothie, 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, half a cup of raw or steamed beets, and lastly 1 cup of ice chips. I will write down the recipe in the description box below. As soon as we prepared all of the ingredients, all we have to do is blend them all together. We're going to start first with the ice chips and then the rest of the ingredients. This recipe is not only very delicious but also very healthy. The strawberry and chia seeds are high in antioxidants, and the beets add an anti-inflammatory benefits to the smoothie, while also adding a very vibrant color. Blend everything together until nice and smooth, then serve on a tall glass and garnish with fresh mint leaves. For our second recipe, we will be making this creamy and delicious strawberry shortcake smoothie. We will need 1 whole banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 cup ice chips, and 1 cup almond or regular milk. So after we have gathered all of the ingredients, all we have to do is blend everything together, starting with the ice chips, then the rest of the ingredients. I love this smoothie recipe because it's not only healthy, but it's also creamy and very delicious. Perfect for a snack or even for dessert. Blend everything until it's nice and creamy, then pour into a tall glass and garnish with fresh strawberries on top. For our last recipe, we will be making this fun tropical mango and strawberry smoothie. We will need half a cup of frozen or fresh mangoes, half a cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, a 1/4 cup of baby carrots, 1 cup orange juice, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 cup ice chips. Now for the smoothie, you can blend everything together, or you can blend first the mango smoothie, then blend the strawberry smoothie next for a fun color contrast. First, we're gonna start with the mango smoothie. We will put half a cup of the ice chips, the frozen mango and baby carrots, then a 1/4 cup of the Greek yogurt, half a cup of orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Blend everything together until nice and smooth, then fill half of a tall glass with the mango smoothie. Then for the strawberry smoothie, we will simply blend the rest of the remaining ingredients together until smooth and creamy. Then pour it on top of the mango smoothie and garnish with fresh strawberries and fresh mangoes. And there you have it. That's our 3 easy, delicious, and healthy strawberry smoothies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious smoothie recipes. See you next time!